Hello everyone, I'm the Realization Lion. Today for our second lesson of programming concept, we'll be learning conditional structures. If you're not familiar with variables, I would suggest you to watch the video in our channel that covers the programming concepts of variables. For the rest of you, in order to help you understand the concept of conditional structures, you might have already learned something similar in English. For example, a question: if you like cakes, put up your hand. You might notice this question has a condition. The condition is that a person must like cakes, and if that condition is true, the person must put up the hand. Another example is the traffic lights. A person will only cross the road when the traffic light turns green. When the traffic light turns red, he will stop. Not only does the conditional structure have one condition per outcome, it also allows multiple conditions per outcome. For example, if a person's age is more than 3 years old and less than or equal to 12 years old, the ticket booth will have to sell a child ticket. In JavaScript programming, this is how it will look like. On top of this, you can also have related conditions and outcomes. For example, a condition else if a person's age is more than 12, sell an adult ticket. This will take consideration of the age if it is between 3 to 12. To take care of anything outside of all these conditions, you can use the else condition. In our situation, the else condition includes the age below and equal to 3. So the example of how the conditional structures will look like will be if a person's age is more than 3 and less than or equal to 12, sell a child ticket. Else if the age is more than 12, sell an adult ticket. Else, give free entry. On the screen, you will see how the structure will be written in JavaScript. Hopefully, it will give you an idea of how to write a conditional structure in the future. So that's it. You have learned the concept of conditional structure today. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button below to stay tuned to our upcoming episode. Do look forward to our next video to learn about events. This is the Realization Lion. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.